Hey, I'm Don Thomas at Royal Volkswagen. I'm very excited to walk you through the ins and outs of the very popular Atlas Cross Sport. Immediately, you will notice the head-turning lines that distinguish it everywhere it goes. A sporty look and a strong stance steals the attention of all else in the SUV arena, as well as speaks of safety and strength. That persona is stunning with its standard LED headlights and taillights. If first impressions weren't enough, inside you will find the wow factor in roominess and versatility. To accentuate the spaciousness, you should consider the panoramic sunroof that offers about 5 feet of open skyline. You'll be surprised by its over 77 cubic feet of cargo space. Spacious inside and sporty outside, and the drive will emphasize both with comfort and performance. It is no surprise that the Cross Sport comes with a state-of-the-art technology, including digital cockpit, App Connect streaming, and wireless charger. Under the hood, there's performance options to fit everyone, with a 2.0 turbo providing 235 horsepower or the V6 putting out 276 horsepower. It's no wonder that the Atlas Cross Sport comes Consumer Reports recommended. Come and test drive one here at Royal Volkswagen in Vestavia.